She's like the sunshine, she's full of magic, just like the crystals inside her pocket. Always rocking music, loving all her friends. Come on over, you're always welcome. We got the treats, it's always playtime in Ray's world.
That's me!
Hi, Ray.
We're doing my experiment.
You're gonna do your experiments?
Yeah.
Okay. So this experiment, the theme this month is Rainforest.
Yep.
All right, let's open it up.
First, let's do the rain.
Ooh, a rain stick. We're gonna make a rain stick.
Yes.
See here.
Grab all of us.
These are the stickers for the rain stick. Here's the instructions for Mom. Amazing. Oh, perfect. Those two things.
You want two things?
Okay, and this. Okay, this is for later. First, we're gonna make a butterfly puppet. Okay? So, go ahead, take that out.
Okay. There's a googly eye here.
Go take it out.
You guys want my llama shirt?
Yeah, I love it. Your no drama llama. Okay.
Oh,
So, number 1, decorate the wings with the felt stickers. Most pairs of butterfly wings match each other. Try placing the stickers to make your wings match too. Okay? So here are our felt pieces. Go ahead and spread the butterfly out so that you can see the wings. Okay? So we're going to take it like this. And we're going to set it down here. Okay? You're going to take your felt pieces like this and your dots like this, and you're going to make patterns on each side. Okay? Go ahead. So first we're going to do the butterfly puppet.
oh wait, I need to use this.
You need the instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and take your stickers and
So put that one right
yeah, you
here.
see how symmetrical it looks right here?
Yeah.
You want to try to make your patterns look somewhat symmetrical on your butterfly wings, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do your thing.
This.
Yep.
And the dots. So right here.
Amazing.
Sticking.
Yeah, they're very sticky. You can do it any way you want. You don't have to do that. Those will go on the caterpillar underneath. See? Here.
Oh yeah.
So those will go underneath. So just do the wings for now. Okay?
Okay.
Let's see how far we've gotten. Wow, that looks beautiful. You're using that as a guide? Amazing. Okay.
This one's like a spooky pumpkin.
It looks like a spooky pumpkin. Are we all done? Oh, look at that cute caterpillar. Let me see. Cute. And then does he turn into a butterfly? What? No way. Let's see. Let's see him. There he is. Amazing. Look at how cute. Here, you can put your little fingers in there. So beautiful. Is that from your other one? From Nature That Glows or Glowing Nature box? Cute. They're so cute together. Oh, I love it. All right, should we make our next experiment? Let's do it.
Parrot.
Parrots are one of the most intelligent birds. Did you know that? I had one when I was a little girl.
Hi.
Okay, so now we're going to make our next experiment, which is going to be a rain stick.
Yes.
So exciting. Okay, so we put one, it comes with 2 lids, one for each side to hold in the beads. So we've already put our first bottom on.
But I did it.
You did it.
Yeah.
So now you're going to decorate your rain stick with all these beautiful different images, okay? So while you do that, I'm going to do this. You do that, you decorate.
Oh, I want to do that butterfly first.
Okay, you do the butterflies first. And while Ray Ray's doing that, I'm going to separate the center column, which is going to allow the beads to filter through the rain stick. So we're going to fold them in opposite directions.
I think
They go wherever you want them to go. It's your design. You get to be as creative as you want to be.
yeah, I was painting my house. So I was a paint artist.
You were.
And
Okay.
the girl wasn't inside there.
Okay, so now you can be a sticker artist. So I'm going to go opposite directions like that. Okay. Okay, we're going to insert the center column. Then Ray Ray's going to dump the beads in there. There you go. Go ahead and dump the beads in there. Do you want to hold it and I'll dump? Yeah. Okay, you go ahead and dump it in there. Yes. Hold on. There you go. Okay. Ooh, you hear it? Okay, put them all in there. Yeah, we're going to decorate it together.
I didn't know about it.
Put all the beads in. Okay, go ahead and hold it. Hold it. Put these last few beads in there. And then we'll finish decorating. Awesome. Okay, so go ahead and decorate. I'm going to put the final lid on the top. Okay, go ahead and decorate.
So we're just decorating a thing. And look at this beautiful blue flower.
Gorgeous.
So I'm gonna press the blue one.
You're welcome. Okay, we finished decorating. You want to show them the decorations? So, oh, you can hear it too. So beautiful. Okay, now flip it over. Wow. Do it again. Let's hear. Oh, it sounds like rain.
Yeah.
Love it. Good job.
Tree frog.
Look at how green that tree frog is. At nighttime, you can hear all of them talking to each other. Did you know that a tree frog can honk like 75 times a minute?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
They also eat mosquitoes, which is nice.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah. They just grew overnight? Wow. Amazing. Okay.
Exploring my nation. Oh, look at those. Where are those?
Birds. They're quails. Oh, okay. Did you make a wish?
Oh, that's the thing. Oh, look at this giant leaf. So giant. I can like eat this leaf. Oh, these things. What are those called again?
It's a stump.
No, it's right here.
Oh, there is mushrooms there usually.
There's mushrooms right here. There's a mushroom.
You found one? Let's see. Oh yeah. So cool.
Yeah. It's just like we don't want to step on it. Ooh, they smell great too. Let's go. Feels like a tree.
It does. How does it feel?
Feels not great.
Not great?
No.
Is it rough?
And the cats would probably want to scratch
The
it.
cats probably would want to scratch it. That'd be great for their claws, huh?
Yeah. Look, no one. Just like this.
Oh, look at here. Is that a new part of the tree growing out?
Yeah.
So cool, huh? It's like new life.
Monkey.
Monkeys are also really smart. There are hundreds of different kinds of monkeys, and most of them live in trees, but some do live on the ground.
Ooh, I've never seen that before.
Well, we'll have to go check some out when we go to Costa Rica.
Thanks for watching. Don't miss that for subscribing.
Are you dancing, Ray?